I love Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is a children's book series written by A.A. Milne. It's now owned by Disney, who have made great use of it in movies and television. It centers around a stuffed bear named Pooh as he spends quality time with his friends in the 100-Acre Woods. Winnie the Pooh has never been one of my favorite movies, but he has always been one of my favorite characters. I grew up with all the movies and shows. I would watch them with my sisters, we'd play out in the woods and pretend it was the 100-Acre Wood, and in time the forest where Pooh and the gang live became one of my favorite fictional settings. It's just so chill and relaxed. It's sort of what I imagine heaven to be like. All the characters just hang out together, living life and going on simple adventures, like trying to get honey from a honey tree or trying to find their lost friends. The whole thing is laid back and comfy, and it's really hard to not like everyone involved. They all have distinct personalities too. Pooh is the most laid back and he's lacking for brains. Then you have Rabbit, who's really uptight and antsy. Eeyore is a downer, always acting pessimistic. Tigger is a rambunctious ball of energy. Owl is a know-it-all, who doesn't actually know all that much. And Piglet is an adorable little coward. I've said this before, but it bears repeating. If I had to go to any fictional world, I would choose the 100-Acre Wood. Anywhere else that would interest me is also very dangerous. The 100-Acre Wood is nothing but good times with good company, with good art and music, and is all around a good time. And that's why I love Winnie the Pooh.